So this is probably the #1 most underrated YouTube video I've seen this month. It only has 400 views and it's called I Tried TikTok Shop Affiliate for 14 days, here's what happened. Basically, to keep it short, what happened was insane. It was ridiculous. I know all the inside details from knowing him personally, but let's actually watch this video together and let me tell you all the inside information I have, what was going on behind the scenes.
So for the last 14 days, I've been grinding TikTok Shop Affiliate. And before that, I was doing TikTok organic dropshipping. And let's just say it wasn't really moving that well. But meanwhile, I've been seeing TikTok Shop Affiliate everywhere. Everyone's flexing payouts, results, and dashboards. And I kept thinking, is this stuff really legit or is it just a trend? So I've decided to start it from scratch and give it 14 days. I've never done TikTok Shop Affiliate in my life, so I probably messed some things up. But y'all know how we do it out here. I show everything and keep it 100. So let's find out if this affiliate stuff is actually it.
This is the crazy part. This was actually, like, without exaggerating, exactly what happened in the first 14 days of doing it. I don't even understand why he's not put it in the title, but he made like close to $40,000 in GMV in the first 2 weeks of doing it. That's like 6 or 7K profit or so in the first 2 weeks of starting a new business model. And after that, by the way, like after these 14 days, he ended up the month, I think at 70-something thousand and well over 10K profit in the very first month. Now I'm gonna tell you already, making that kind of money in the first 2 weeks of starting a business is not realistic. This does not happen in real life. This is not how businesses work in general. But we will go through why it actually worked in this case.
Before I even started filming, I hopped on a call with my guy Pepe. He's in Michael Burnsy's mentorship and he's seriously crushing this TikTok shop game. I'm talking multiple 6 figures in a month.
So Pepe is cracked. He's just OP. Basically what he does in the program is he gives you the exact hooks and the exact videos that go viral this week. So you can just copy them and then you go viral in the same week. It's just ridiculous. He basically just produces results like this because he just gives you viral content, which you can replicate, put your own little twist to it, and it just works, okay? But that's another story.
So of course I had to tap in. I just told him I'm starting from scratch and I have no clue how this affiliate stuff works. And he gave me a full breakdown what I should do, what I should focus on. And the first thing I realized is that TikTok Shop Affiliate is nothing like organic dropship. I mean, the style, the content, the flow of the videos, it's just completely different. It's way more UGC based and story driven. It's like you're just casually talking to someone about a product you like. So yeah, I had to fully switch my approach. And trust me, it was harder than expected. So right after the call, I started prepping. My brother and I got to work, researching products on Kalo data, looking for content ideas, and scrolling TikTok for trends. And for the start, we picked out a few solid products, some supplements, a cologne, and an ergonomic pillow. And I know a lot of people go the AI or the stock footage route. And to be honest, I also thought about it. But Pepe told me straight up, bro, just show your face, do UGC, that stuff converts like crazy and you actually build skills.
I'm the biggest fan of AI ever. However, today in 2025, using your face is still better if you're really good at it. Dave and Dan are just naturally good in front of the camera. So for them, it's a perfect way to actually stand out is not using AI. However, the room to fuck things up is significantly higher if you don't use AI. And if you're not super charismatic or not really good in front of the camera, I would rather recommend you doing AI. Now, the other thing you have to keep in mind here is they speak perfect German. If you are fluent in a language where TikTok Shop is actually available and it is not the US, then you actually also have a very strong advantage if you show your face because there's just so much less competition and just recently rolled out in Germany and videos just get boosted instantly. And this is exactly what they did.
So that's exactly what I did. I ordered all the products and I had to wait a few days before I could actually start filming. So I decided day 1 would officially start once I received the product. Oh, also a quick side note. I already had 2 TikTok accounts that met the requirements for Germany. I mean, to even apply for TikTok Shop Affiliate, you gotta have certain things. You gotta be at least 18, you gotta be in Germany, and you have to have an account with more than 1,500 followers. And if you're in the US, it's like way higher. It's like 5,000 followers, which is a little bit crazy. But so yeah, those accounts were good to go. But I wasn't trying to play it safe. I wanted to scale right away. So I just copped a 3rd account, already verified and ready to post. And I paid like $200 for it. And in that way, I could post across these accounts that increased my chance of going viral. And once the products arrived, I locked in. I started filming and man, Things weren't sweet, y'all. This definitely wasn't like the dropshipping content I was used to. This was full UGC. Talking to the cam, memorizing a script, sounding natural, being relatable. Bruh, it was really harder than I thought it would. And no joke, every video took like 2 hours.
It's fully different, but I gotta tell you guys, if you already did organic dropshipping, it's gonna come much more natural to you. It's different, it's fully different, but it's easier than organic dropshipping. If you're starting from scratch and you never did anything before this will feel way more difficult to you than if you already did organic dropshipping. Because as an organic dropshipper, you know the grind and how hard it is to do all of these things. With Shop, it's easier, all right? In my opinion, it's significantly easier, especially if you're using AI. But that's to another point.
We would refilm, rewatch, and second guess everything. And by the end of the day, it was just like 3 to 4 videos max. And it was frustrating because our mentor kept telling us, you need to be posting 12 videos a day at least. We were putting in the hours, but it didn't feel like we did some. But then day 3 came around.
This is the funny part. We're talking day 3. All right. This is not like, 3 months in. This is all it is. And we're at day 3, all right?
And something finally clicked. I mean, we're still not hitting the 12 videos a day like we're supposed to, but we pushed some out. And one of them started to gain traction. It went from 200 views to over 100,000 in a day.
Day 3.
Views are cool, but when it comes to affiliate, that doesn't really matter if it doesn't convert. So I'm sitting there like, please let me see some money. So I checked the dashboard and we made $400 freaking in revenue. And from that, we had $60 in profit. And that was the moment I knew, bro, this could actually be something. And the next day, that same video kept going harder and harder. It just kept going up in views. And when I checked again, I saw over $1,000 in revenue and $210 in profit. I mean, already the $60 in profit were like crazy, but $210, bro.
I want to tell you guys something. Kalo Data is crazy, all right? I'm not sponsored by them. I don't have any affiliate links. I just genuinely believe the platform is actually cracked. How it basically works is everything which happens is transparently seen on Kalo Data. All right, everything that happens on TikTok Shop, you can just double check and cross-reference here. What you can do is you can just search for products in here that convert the highest per million views, and you are able to film with them easily. For example, to them, this like pillow product came natural and that was good for them. Now, if you don't want to show your face, you should be running supplements. And if you go to the health niche right here, you're going to see a bunch of supplements here. You're basically going to, for example, see here in the last 30 days, how much money each brand generated. If you keep scrolling down here, you're gonna see which creator generated the most money in the last 30 days for which product and which exact videos they used. Okay, if you click on their page, you're gonna be able to see, oh, this is the video that did the best to them, and this video did 30K, and this video, for example, did 30K on only 200,000 views, which is insane.
And from that point on, I told myself, all right, let's lock in, because this could actually be a serious opportunity. And after that, everything felt different. The way we worked, the way we filmed, I mean, even the way we looked at content now. It all started to slowly click. The scripts got faster, filming felt more natural, and also editing started to flow better. So we tried to stop overthinking and just execute. We started to understand what types of hooks hit, what tone we need to flow in, what kind of delivery felt native to TikTok, and how to make the videos feel real and not salesy. Now look, not every video went viral just because we thought we had it down, but the account started to pick up on momentum. And that one video, bro, it just sparked it all. I mean, it just kept going.
Because TikTok Shop is obviously owned by TikTok, the combination of those two result in a crazy synergy. TikTok has all the data on the views and on the sales, which means that they can know exactly, oh, this video, it converts better than this video, because we know this video has 1,000 views and it already made $100. So let's push this video, because TikTok gets like a 7% cut from TikTok Shop sales. So TikTok is not only incentivized to push your videos if you generate money, but also it knows exactly where the money's coming from. It's all on one platform. And this makes TikTok Shop just superior to anything else. You never, ever, ever will see anything like this in any other platform. You're not going to see a Facebook ads library where you see transparently how much money every person generated from every single creative. If you would see that as a Facebook guy, you would just go crazy. This is like too easy. And then as an organic guy, the same thing happens. If you would know exactly which product converts per million views, how much, which video converts better, which does worse, which niche, which audience, this is all shown here. You literally see all of that transparently. You see the top creators. You can just look at everything. And that is something which makes TikTok Shop significantly better than anything else right now.
By day 10, this same video had hit over 9 million views. And I'm not gonna lie, at that moment I was not fully comprehending what was happening. Like bro, we had been stressing to get 3 videos out a day, and I'm just sitting here and just watching one single video go parabolic. I was literally just staring at the dashboard like, yo, what is going on? It didn't feel real. And the last few days, shish, felt different. It was just more of a rhythm now. And at that point, me and my brother, we were just executing. Wake up, film, edit, post. No second guessing. We just had to do what had to be done. And by the end of this challenge, we dropped over 40 videos across the account. I know, we should have posted way more. We definitely got caught up by trying to make every video perfect. And that slowed us down, to be honest. But still, despite all that, we still ended up making $39,000 in revenue. And around $6,000 of that was a profit.
Guys, keep in mind, this is 2 weeks after starting. This is 2 weeks in after the day they started a fully new business model. That's insane.
The crazy thing is we even got $1,000 retainer from a company.
Yeah, these retainers are also crazy. Like a company just pays you a retainer for making videos for them, because to them, it's worth a lot for a good person to make good videos, because what they do with that video is they don't only run it for shop content and make a bunch of money there. They also just copy that video and post it on Facebook ads and spend ad spend on top of it, which makes even more money.
That felt unreal. I remember just staring at the dashboard and I'm thinking like, what is going on? Like I'm starting a 14-day challenge and I'm looking at $1,000 in profit. Even saying these numbers out loud still feels crazy. I mean, especially coming from organic dropshipping, where I made the same amount in 6 months that I made now in 14 days. If I had to say what really changed the game, it was having someone in your corner that actually knew what they were doing. My guy Pepe always checked the accounts and told me straight up what was off. He told me what I did wrong, what I should fix, and what I should double down on. And yeah, I had to drop the ego real quick, because without that, there's no way we'd be here right now. This TikTok shop stuff ain't no passive income, y'all. It's not you just posting and chilling. You actually gotta learn how to sell through content, and that's a skill most people don't talk about. But the second you start building that skill, hey, you got heavy leverage. And if you're thinking about trying this TikTok shop stuff, because I mean, these results in 14 days are just crazy, I highly recommend Michael Bernstein's Mentorship. You'll find Pepe in there that helped us to crush these big numbers, and obviously there are other killer coaches too.
This is basically what we do. Basically, we help you with a few things. Number one is we connect you with a brand that you can become an affiliate for, that has a really good product that is already proven to work, and we negotiate a better commission for you than if you would just do it by yourself. The second thing we do is we give you the connections to either buy accounts or tell you exactly on how to build accounts up that actually have enough followers to start running TikTok Shop. The third thing is we look over your content and we tell you exactly how to make it go viral. With TikTok Shop, there's just 2 strategies. Either you film yourself or you use AI. It's basically one out of the 2, and we can help you with both, depending on what your skills are. If you're interested in starting to work with us in a one-on-one mentorship program where you can also have calls with people like Pepe, which literally just look over your content and tell you exact, very specific things you have to change to go viral, click the link below, sign up for a free consultation session, and we're going to figure out if it's a good fit.